So, you've got your hands on a relay. Maybe it's an old family heirloom, a garage sale find, or a mysterious gift. It's a cool piece of tech, no doubt, but you're probably wondering, where the heck is this thing supposed to go? Let's dive into the world of relays and figure it out together. First off, what is a relay? In the simplest terms, it's an electrical switch controlled by an electromagnetic coil. Think of it as a tiny remote-controlled gatekeeper for electricity. But where does this gatekeeper belong? Relays in industrial settings. Historically, relays were the backbone of industrial control systems. Factories, power plants, and heavy machinery relied on them to automate processes. You'd find them in control panels, switching large currents, or controlling motors. If your relay looks rugged, with heavy-duty terminals, chances are it's an industrial-grade component. Relays in electronics. As technology miniaturized, so did relays. They found their way into electronic devices. From old TVs and radios to modern cars, relays handle tasks like controlling motors, activating solenoids, or switching high-current loads. If your relay is small, with multiple pins, it's likely meant for electronics. Relays in automotive systems. Cars are full of relays. They control everything from the starter motor to the headlights. If you've got a relay with automotive-specific connectors, it's probably meant for a car. But where exactly in the car? That depends on the relay's function. Some common locations include the engine compartment, fuse box, or interior panels. Relays in telecommunications. Once upon a time, relays were crucial in telecommunications. They switched phone calls, transmitted data, and powered early computers. If your relay is old and bulky, with lots of coils and contacts, it might be a relic from the telecommunications era. Relays in hobbies and DIY projects. Relays have found a new life in the world of hobbies and DIY. Modelers, hobbyists, and electronics enthusiasts use them for a variety of projects. If your relay seems to be a general-purpose component, it's probably meant for a DIY project. Identifying your relay's purpose. So, how do you figure out where your specific relay belongs? Physical inspection. Look for markings, numbers, or symbols on the relay. These can provide clues about its function or manufacturer. Check the datasheet. If you can find the relay's model number, search for a datasheet online. It will provide detailed specifications and application information. Examine the circuit. If the relay is part of a larger circuit, tracing the connections can give you hints about its purpose. Consult an expert. If you're still stumped, consult an electronics technician or hobbyist. They might be able to identify the relay based on their experience. Safety first. Before you start tinkering with relays, remember that they can handle high voltages and currents. Always handle them with care and follow proper safety procedures. Relays, a versatile component. As you can see, relays are incredibly versatile components. They've been around for over a century and continue to find new applications. Whether you're a seasoned electronics pro or just curious about your old gadget, understanding relays can unlock a world of possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.